Boozhoo, naman wenda mo mapiyajayeg, Miss J and Dejinakaz. This is week 23 of our second step home link page. And in week 23, we're learning to say the problem or saying the problem. So your child will be learning to solve problems. We're going to talk about problems. And the first problem solving step is to say the problem. Use words to say what is the problem. And your child is also learning to calm down strong feelings before solving a problem. So first they have to calm their body down, like smell the cupcake, blow out the candle. Now let's say the problem. And take a big deep breath and then tell me what's wrong. Okay, so there's a little game you can play at home, and guess what it's called? What's the problem? So you can make up some things, like maybe have a little bowl of, maybe you're going to have soup for lunch or, whatever, and use a fork. And you try to take your soup with a fork. And then they'll say, no, well, then ask them, what's the problem? You got to use a spoon. Or you could try to take a cup and like a big wooden spoon, and you're going to stir, and then they're going to say, no, what's the problem? That spoon is too big. So you give them some ideas on, they can tell you what the problem is. So then when they're at school, they'll know and how to use what to say if there's a problem. Okay, so this is the home link page this week, and this is Nora and Talik. And you say, tell your child, look at the picture. What do you see? Well, Nora wants the dump truck, and Talik got it first. So, and then just go through the steps that are listed below. Just go through them. What is the first step they should do to solve their problem? They should say what the problem is. I really want the truck. So she's saying you have the truck, but I want the truck. And so then they start talking about how they can solve the problem. So just do some of these fun little things at home, make up your own scenarios, and just keep going, because it'll really help them at school. And that is week 23. So I hope you have a great rest of your week. And I'll see you next time. Gigawabamen, Migwich Bisendowieg.